All right, so I want to show you a property that I'm in the process of getting under contract. It is a 1,300 square foot bungalow, 3 bedroom, 2 bath up, 1.5 bedroom down, and potential for a 3rd bathroom downstairs. It's got a attached double car garage. It sits on a 70 by 130 deep lot. So the tenants that were in here have lived there about 10 years and have left it in okay shape. So how I found this property was just through my network, and this is a absentee landlord who this is their last property in their portfolio, and they're looking to unload it really as quickly as possible because it's been a headache for them. And so what are all the possible things I could do with this property? I could wholesale it. I could do a BRRRR. I could do, a buy, rent, and hold, just really clean it up and then hold it. I could do a lease option on it, rent own, all that sort of stuff. What I'm focusing on, here are the 3 main exit strategies I'm focusing on, which I will go into more detail in future videos on this, but I'm going to run the numbers and look at wholesaling the deal. I'm going to run the numbers to do a flip, so fix it up and sell it. And that could be a variety of, just clean it up and sell it, or really fix it up and sell it. Or the third one is do a burrito, which is where we buy it, repair it, get a rent-own client in there, and then we do a refi on it. So those are the 3 main exit strategies that I see as being the most viable, timely exit strategies, and making some profit. So I will be back with more info.